Hi, I'm Eitan Marder-Epstein, and I work on Project Tango. And today I'm going to show you some Tango demos that are on the Lenovo Tango phone. So here we've got the phone. You can see that it's got a wide-angle camera here, as well as a depth camera and an RGB camera. And it combines information from these three sensors to allow for augmented reality experiences. So the app that I'm showing right now is a simple domino game. So you can see that we can lay dominoes down on the world, and we can also maybe put some kind of up here. And when I hit start, the dominoes kind of fall down, and then it also sort of knows the differences between surfaces and can send a beam up to knock those down. So if I want to get maybe a little bit more creative, maybe we go over here just to find some more space. So here I can put some dominoes down, and maybe I go to my toolbox and I find I find a plane, and we can put that down. And so it shows me that it's going to do kind of a loop here. So I can put some dominoes maybe here, and now if I start, you'll see that the plane goes and does a loop and comes back around and hits those dominoes, and then I finish. So you can kind of make Rube Goldberg-like contraptions really easily in your actual space, but you can do it quickly, and when I'm done I just hit the clear button, clear, and they're gone, no cleanup.
Could you also show us a demo of the depth sensing camera that works? How you can measure things and do all other things with that?
Yeah, so we've got another application here that I can show you, which is our measurement application. And this allows me to take, say, basic measurements in the world. I can measure areas, but I can also measure volumes, kind of going up to the ceiling. And so you can see that inside of here I've measured sort of the area as well as the volume. I can very quickly decide, whether a bookshelf will fit there, things like that. Furthermore, I can take the device, and if we sort of measure along a wall, it knows where the gravity vector is, and so it can actually measure a horizontal line automatically. So if you wanted to check if like a picture was level or something like that, it's a really useful tool. Normally I'd have to go actually put a level on the wall. And this all comes because the device understands the 3D structure of the environment, understands the geometry of the environment. We can take it a step further, and if we bring up, I guess, our Lowe's app here, you can start playing interior decorator, and you can start putting products into the environments as well. So if we start this up, so here, say I wanted to put, I don't know, like a chair into the space. I can very quickly put it here. I can maybe rotate it a little bit, and I can sort of see, how it looks in the space. So maybe let me get a wider view here.
I really want to go and sit there.
Yeah, so you can kind of get right up to it. You can see sort of the detailing on the model, detail on the chair, and you can decide whether or not it's something that you like in your space, whether it sort of fits in the room or not. And you can also start doing things like, say this rug is maybe a little bit ugly, we want to start replacing it with wood. So now I can start kind of dragging this wood around, and very quickly I can get a pretty extensive view of what the floor would look like. And once again, I can get, right up to it, look at the graining, those kinds of things. So in this way, you can just start decorating your environments and kind of playing at interior modeling.
So which one has been your favorite app? I mean, you must have been playing around for a while now.
Yeah, I've been playing around a lot. I think the most useful application is the measurement application to me. I have been doing a lot of moving and building some furniture, and just the ability to even say, all right, very quickly, what's about the square footage of this space, how big a bed can I build, what furniture can I buy online, those kinds of things are really, really useful, I think.
So is there any app that you think would make a useful case scenario in the future with the Tango? I mean, obviously the furniture thing, and we were getting to know about the, you can use it in subways and museums and all. I
Yeah,
think that would be really cool to use.
Yeah, so there are kind of the house scale augmented reality features, which are measurements and shopping for furniture and even things like virtual pets and games and dominoes. But then also there are capabilities of the device to remember where it's been before, and you can use that to do things like indoor navigation. That's something we're working on as well. So I think there are a lot of different applications that are useful, and we're excited to bring them to consumers a little bit later this summer.
All right, thank you so much, mate.
Absolutely, really nice to meet you.